We decided to bring the kids and their cousins to another swimming pool in Abia. This one is really big, especially for those that know how to swim, because the backside of the pool is deep and not for beginners. But since our kids had learned how to swim back in school in Switzerland, this was perfect for them. And they enjoyed the jumps and the swimming in this very big swimming pool. Meanwhile, I enjoyed the view and tranquility of this place. Very big and very serene for a city center like Abia.